Good morning and welcome to our daily morning updates from Xtrade Broking Services. This is Prasad Manuel. We are entering into a new week and a new month, and what's installed for us for this particular week and what are the data we need to watch, what happened last Friday. Let's analyze all these things and let us help you out to take a better trading decisions in the coming week and for the month. Okay, so last Friday we saw a bloodbath and we mentioned that seeing the numbers from the global markets, we asked the question, will it be a Black Friday? It was a terrible Friday even for all of us. So how this is panning out to be, what sort of data it is coming out, we are going to watch out for this week. Let's get into that and just have a small recap of the last Friday's events. Nifty saw its biggest fall in over 4 months, and it cracked under to the dual weightage of heavy selling from foreign investors, and it is coupled along with the yield bonds which is going up globally as well as locally. So this in turn made the Nifty fall close to 680 points, and it was a terrible fall which we saw on Friday. Bank Nifty fell over 1,750 points, which was nearly 5%. Nifty fell nearly 4%. And there was no place to hide. Even large cap saw a big ETF sell-off which was happening. The positive, however, was the outperformance of the PSU baskets and the mid-cap, showing some resilience in the markets on Friday. FIS, they sold close to 8,295 crores. Actual data will be somewhere around 10,000 plus due to the MSCI index rebalancing, and this is one of the largest sell-off in the year which we can see from FIS. And DAS have not bought huge, they have just bought close to 1,500 crores. So the data to be watched out for the week. What data we need to watch out for the week? The data like Indian automobile sales data is going to come. Indian market manufacturing PMI export import data is going to come. A new IPO of MTAR Technologies, which is a defense components maker, and their issue price is somewhere around 574 to 575, which is going to come out. So these are the important data, and the week will be mainly driven by the data. And the past data, we saw the GDP data which has come. It was reasonable, it was positive, and we saw some positive news, and today we are seeing some news on the telecom auction, spectrum auction. So we need to watch out for these reactions in the market today. So what is the market setup for the day? We can see that SGS Nifty is showing a positive gap up of close to 222 points, and it is somewhere around 14,746. US markets ended up mixed on Friday as Dow Jones closed close to lower by another 400 points, while Nasdaq closed in green, up by 0.5%. The bond yields, we saw some profit booking, and we saw yields getting cooled off after the big run up last week. And one more positive news is that US House has passed close to 1.9 trillion stimulus. That particular stimulus bill which we anticipated is going to come this week, I presume, before the jobs data on March 14th. So which sees the futures higher, even as the higher volatility can be expected in the markets in the correction mode. These data will help the market, or which is going to see more sell-off, we need to see in the coming days. So what is the trade setup for the day? The trade setup is more selling is going to come in the markets. We need to watch out for the levels, as well as are these good times to enter into stocks. Yes, we are telling that it is buy on dips. Still we can see some pullback which can happen in the market, like how you see a 200 points gap up. But the major thing when we need to enter is that first we need to leave the first hour and watch out how the market is proceeding, whether the first hour is going to see more selling off in the higher levels, or more short covering is happening. When we can see some short covering if the index is going beyond 14,800 levels, because 14,800 acts as the first resistance. Unless until it is breaking that level, we can see some more sell-off coming. So what we need to do, we need to watch out for levels, that is the low which Nifty made on Friday, which is 14,467, which is close to the 50-day DMA of 14,427. If it is going below the 50 DMA, we can expect more weakness to come in the market. Okay, so I'll give you the upside and downside levels, the support and resistance levels for the week. We can see Nifty may get a support around 14,100 levels in this week, and upside level will be somewhere around 15,100 to 150 levels. So we can expect Nifty to trade between 14,100 to 15,000 this particular expiry week. So we can, if you see the put and call writing data, the put writing data, we can see somewhere around 14,500, 14,100 and 13,700 is the area the put writing is happening, and call rating which is happening at 15,000, 15,200 and 15,500 areas. Okay, and important part, the volatility index, as we were discussing, volatility index were gone close to 30 on Friday and it came down to 28. As far as the volatility index is at that levels, we can expect more volatility in the market in the coming days. So the support and resistance level for the day will be, Nifty will be around 14,400, the support level, the first support level. The Nifty resistance for the day will be around 15,000. Nifty bank support will be around 34,200 and bank resistance will be around 35,600 for the day. Important stocks to watch out: Reliance Industries, Axis Bank, Bharti Airtel, DLF and auto stocks due to the auto sales number which is coming today. So we can expect a volatile day, as well as we can expect a minor bit of consolidation if the support level is not getting broken on either side. Wishing you all success. Subscribe to our Telegram channel, look out for the latest news which we are posting over there, and like our videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.